Before this video begins, I just want to let you know that this is going to show you what a PS1000 scan looks like on a computer. The images that you see are going to be the same images that you'll be able to see and work with on the tablet, on the unit itself. You don't need the PC software to use the tool, but I'm using the PC software just to give you an example of what it looks like, just because it's easier to show you and talk about it. But again, the PC software is just something you can get if needed. So, because the tool uses radar, what the tool is going to do is able to basically scan through about 12 inches of concrete, and it's going to bounce back anything that's not concrete, anything that's not homogeneous to the concrete, and it's going to make an image. And you can see here, on the bottom here, and on the right here, these are what we call our cross-sectional views, and I like to use it because I can see depth, right? So I can let me move my magenta line down here so you get the idea. So right here is the cutoff that's showing me what the slab looks like from the side if I was to cut it right there. And then right here, that's what this slab will look like if I have the cutoff right there. That's what the cross sectionals do, and I can now use this to say, okay, these pieces of rebar coming in around 2 inches there. Right, up here it says 1.8, and on the actual scanner it's going to show up in the bottom right hand corner. But that's my depth right there, 1.8 inches. So I get a lot of information there. What I do sometimes is this depth window here, I shrink all the way down, and if you can see what's going on, let me move my Z up a little bit. Okay, so right now my depth window's here, and I'm seeing nothing here because it's only showing me like barely anything in that window. So as I move my Z down, I can see everything by the layer too. And you can do all of this on the tablet, so I can see that horizontal bar is coming first, vertical second, and then I have this conduit or something showing up right here. So that's what the scanner can do for you. You can see where everything's located. And another thing the scanner can do for you is, let me turn my EM sensor on in a second. So let me increase my thickness here. So one thing you can do if you have the X scan, so if you have the B, which is the basic scanner, you won't be able to do this, but you'll still get all these views. But with the X scan, you can actually also increase, you can also see your EM sensor. So if I turn that on, you'll see that it's picking up live wire right here, which indicates that this is a conduit of sorts pulling electricity. But that's something you can only get with the X scan. It's just a software on the unit itself. So just to clarify, the 1000B scanner, you won't be able to turn the EM sensor on. The 1000X scan, you will be able to. So I just wanted that to be a quick overview of what you can do with it. You can see full slabs. You can also see, let me show you a quick scan. You can also see quick scans. So if I zoom out, you can do horizontal scanning as well and just see what the rebars look like in one direction. And that's what this is. It's just a smaller view of what I was just showing you before, which is this. So I know that during this whole video I was using the PC software, but just as a reminder, all of these images are images you can see right on the scanner itself, whether you have the 1000B or the 1000X scan. If you want to use the PC software, that's great. It's called Profus Detection. More videos on it later, but remember you do need the PS1000X scan to use it. But I'll go through that in a whole other series. Right now, let's just get used to using the scanner itself. I just really can't say this enough, that the majority of what you are probably going to use this tool for, you probably don't even need the software for it. So I just learn the scanner first, get good at looking at the scan on the scanner and doing your analysis there, and then slowly but surely you'll be like, software might be nice.